Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Exness and Deriv, two of the biggest names in the online brokerage space. If you're a trader or you're just getting started in the world of online trading, today's video is just for you. Whether you're looking for ultra-low spreads, fast execution, synthetic assets, or automation tools, these platforms offer very different strengths. Let's explore the standout features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally which broker is better. Let's begin with Exness, a broker that's grown to become one of the most trusted names in the Forex and CFD industry. Founded in 2008, Exness has built a solid reputation across global markets with millions of active users and regulatory licenses from major financial authorities. One of Exness' biggest appeals is its emphasis on transparency and reliability. It caters to both beginner and professional traders with a range of account types that scale based on your experience and capital. Whether you're just starting with a few dollars or you're managing large trades as a pro, there's an account model tailored for you. Exness supports both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are industry standards for serious traders. It also offers its own Exness terminal, a clean, fast, and easy-to-use web trading interface that works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile. What really sets Exness apart is its focus on stability and performance. They pride themselves on lightning-fast trade execution and one of the rarest features in the industry, instant withdrawals. That's right, most withdrawals are processed in seconds, not hours or days, which makes a huge difference for active traders. Now let's talk about Deriv, which has its roots going back to 1999 under the name binary.com. It rebranded as Deriv in 2020 with a much more modern look and feel. Deriv now serves over 3 million clients worldwide and continues to expand its services. Deriv takes a very different approach than traditional brokers like Exness. While it offers access to standard trading instruments like Forex, commodities, and crypto, it's most famous for its synthetic indices, which are unique algorithm-driven markets that mimic real-world volatility but are available 24/7. That's a huge advantage for traders who want to avoid weekend downtime. Another key feature of Deriv is its wide range of custom-built trading platforms. Besides supporting MetaTrader 5, Deriv has its own tools, Deriv Trader for simple trades. There's also Deriv X for advanced charting, Deriv Bot for automated strategies, and Deriv Go, which is its mobile platform. For options traders, Deriv also offers a product called Multipliers, which allows fixed risk leverage trades. Regulation-wise, Deriv operates under multiple jurisdictions. Its European clients are protected under strict regulation, while global users benefit from more flexible leverage and access to features like synthetic markets. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Exness. Account types. There is a standard type, the standard cent, raw spread, zero account, and the pro one. A minimum deposit for as low as $1 is required for standard accounts. The execution is extremely fast order execution, often under a second. Withdrawals, nearly instant withdrawals through multiple payment systems. Leverage, offers up to unlimited leverage in certain regions. And the platform it supports are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Exness Terminal. Assets include Forex, stocks, indices, crypto, energies, and metals. What about Deriv? The account types include the standard MetaTrader 5 account, Deriv X, and synthetic focused accounts. Minimum deposits, which is typically $5 to $25 depending on currency and method. Trading tools include Deriv Go, Deriv Bot, Smart Trader, Deriv X. Unique markets. Synthetic and tactical indices that are available 24/7. Leverage, up to 1:1000 depending on your region. The platforms it supports includes MetaTrader 5 and Deriv specific platforms. Assets include Forex, synthetic indices, crypto, commodities, and options. Now let's talk a little bit about the pricing. For Exness, it's all about flexibility and cost efficiency. You can start trading with as little as $1 and enjoy tight spreads from as low as zero point 0.0 pips if you're on zero or raw spread account, though these carry a small commission per lot. If it's the standard account, it requires a minimum deposit of $10 and spreads from 0.2 pips. There are no commissions involved. Deriv, on the other hand, generally has a low entry barrier as well, with minimum deposits between $5 and $25. Its spreads are slightly wider than Exness in some areas, but they offer commission-free trading on most assets. However, the unique synthetic indices come with their own built-in risk models that aren't exactly comparable to standard markets. If you want to understand how Deriv calculates the fees, use the trading calculator on the website. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with Exness. First, the pros. Very low spreads, especially on raw or zero accounts. Instant withdrawals, no more waiting for your funds. Ultra fast trade execution and highly stable platform. It is regulated by top-tier financial authorities, and wide range of assets and account types are available. And the pros of using Deriv? Access to 24/7 markets like synthetic and tactical indices. Powerful suite of custom platforms for different trading styles. Very low entry cost. Strong options for automated trading by using Deriv bots. And European Union regulation that ensures strong safety for European clients. How about the cons? For Exness, educational content is not as robust for beginners compared to Deriv. Some advanced account types aren't available in all regions, and they don't offer exotic instruments like synthetic indices. How about the cons of Deriv? No MetaTrader 4 support, only MetaTrader 5 and proprietary platforms. Offshore regulation for non-European clients may be less secure. And the number of available standard market assets is more limited compared to Exness. So having said all of this, between Exness and Deriv, which one wins in 2025? If you are a Forex or CFD trader who values tight spreads, fast withdrawals, reliable execution, and strong regulation, then Exness should be your go-to platform. It's built for serious trading with an emphasis on performance, and it's one of the few brokers that can back up its claim of instant money processing. However, if you're more interested in unique trading opportunities, like 24/7 synthetic indices, automation, or options with fixed risk, Deriv is the better choice. It offers more flexibility in terms of strategy types and is great for traders who want to explore niche markets or automate their trades without relying solely on MetaTrader 5. But here's the bottom line, Exness is the better all-rounder. It's more consistent across every core metric, from pricing, regulation, execution, and asset diversity. While Deriv is incredibly innovative, it's a bit more niche. So unless you specifically want to trade synthetic indices or use a bot-heavy strategy, Exness is likely to serve you better in the long run. And that's it on the comparison between Exness and Deriv. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore IG, XTB, and Pepperstone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.